Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to make nice hot water with your Delonghi Caffe Corso automatic coffee machine. Let's perform this hot water by using it for a cup of tea. Yeah. Important, danger of burns. Never leave the machine unsuppressed while delivering hot water. That's important. Stop delivery of hot water when the cup is full. The cappuccino maker becomes hot while water is being delivered and must be held by the handle only. Take care of that. So, how we can perform that? Place a container under the cappuccino maker as close as possible to avoid splashes. Then check that the cup number 1 and cup number 2 lights are on steadily, like here. Then turn the steam knob a half turn anti-clockwise as far as it will go, and then the delivery will begin. Yeah. If the energy saving mode is active, we have to wait a few seconds before the hot water is delivered. If we want to make steam after preparing hot water, it is recommended to empty the water circuit opening the steam knob for a few seconds. So now, if we are making delicious coffee, we are standing the cap on the center device under the nozzle. If you are supporting the hot water, then you can make a flash of hot water flash out, as you can see here. That will bring your cup on a higher temperature. It's better for the hot water that the hot water will be really hot after you apply this to the cup. So that is enough. Now we can dip the water into the sink. Job's done. Or you can drink it too, of course. Then now we are ready to make hot water. This is an optional thing, of course. You do not have to make a pre-hotting before. You can start with the knob immediately after everything is ready to deliver. So you can see now hot water is delivering. Awesome, really awesome. And this hot water is really hot. So take care. Danger of burns. Don't drink it after a couple of seconds. You have to wait a little bit because it's so hot. It's nearly at the boiling point. So if you completed the hot water delivery, you can close the steam knob to position O. The steam knob position on the right side is the open condition. On the left side, it is the close position. Here we are. Job's done. Now we can enter the tea. The bag of tea, for example. You can always use cacao, or if you need another hot water, then you have it. Easy, isn't it? That is how to make hot water with your Delonghi Cafe Corso machine. Easy as shown. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon. And switch off the pillions.